plates then.
Good! Is the house even fun enough for this? Let's see. Monster trucks on the bottom. Book review on top. That should impress them. Oh no. No, no. That is